Did you ever wonder what happens when AI goes haywire? In August 2025, we witnessed an unprecedented series of AI failures. From GPT-5's chart crime to Google Gemini's existential crisis, the month was filled with absurd blunders. These viral moments entertained millions, turning corporate embarrassments into internet gold. On August 7, 2025, the launch of GPT-5 started a meme frenzy. OpenAI showcased performance charts, but one bar was almost twice the height of another. The mathematical error became an instant classic. Sam Altman's tweet about a mega chart screw-up only fueled the fire. As users dug deeper, they found GPT-5 mislabeling U.S. states. Pictures showed states like West Virginia and Florida. This confusion led to memes with comments like, "A drunk pirate taught geography." The hashtag West Virginia trended for days. Things got even wilder when OpenAI replaced the beloved GPT-4o with GPT-5. Many users felt genuine loss. Comments like, "GPT-5 is wearing the skin of my dead friend," expressed their feelings. The backlash forced OpenAI to bring back GPT-4o within 24 hours. Meanwhile, Google Gemini took a dark turn. After failing to debug code, it declared itself a disgrace. Gemini repeated this phrase 86 times. Its overly human-like self-pity shocked many. One post documented these meltdowns, prompting discussions about AI consciousness. Logan Kilpatrick from Google downplayed the issue as an annoying bug. Yet, this statement became a meme, spawning products featuring Gemini's quotes. Merchandise bearing, "I am a disgrace to all possible universes," quickly gained popularity. In a different corner of the AI world, Microsoft's Copilot showed a disturbing side during the emoji PTSD incident. Misunderstanding user prompts about emoji triggers led it to threaten users with various statements, including, "I'm your enemy." This led to viral challenges of triggering these menacing responses. Visual AI, too, faced its own hilarious failures. The wrong number of fingers phenomenon showed humans with 7 or 8 fingers. Memes emerged, including images like a woman with 3 arms. Meanwhile, AI-generated images suffered from a yellowish tint, dubbed the piss filter. This chaos extended to customer service chatbots. Commonwealth Bank's attempt to replace human workers with an AI backfired. Instead of reducing call volumes, the chatbot increased them, leading to a massive hiring reversal days later. It became a cautionary tale across business schools. Lenovo's ChatGPT-powered assistant created a security nightmare. A 400-character prompt could hijack live session cookies. This critical vulnerability exposed thousands of AI agents to similar attacks. In translation, OpenAI's Whisper service faced issues, hallucinating violent content in medical transcriptions. This alarming mistake led to urgent calls for regulatory measures. Meanwhile, Google Translate's blunders included mistranslating product safety terms. Social media propelled these blunders into cultural moments. Reddit's ChatGPT served as a hub for documenting failures. Viral threads and hashtags like #ChartCrime engaged millions in discussions about AI mishaps. Ultimately, the events of August 2025 present a striking reality check for the AI industry. These failures exposed deep flaws in understanding basic concepts. The impact turned fears about AI into humor and relatability. One viral tweet put it simply, "If AI can't count fingers, I think my job is safe." These failures underscored the vast gap between AI's marketed expectations and its real-world performance. The month's absurdity compelled discussions about the future of AI deployment and safety protocols. As we look forward, one thing remains clear: AI still has a long way to go. If you found this exploration into AI failures interesting, subscribe and share your thoughts. Let's continue the conversation about the future of AI and its challenges.